To our area director, Olegario Magahen Jr., to our esteemed speakers from the head office, puro mga bata po at dynamic, kaya I feel so old today. At ang importante po sa amin, ang VIPs namin are very important partners in media and communication. Maayong hapon sa tanan. Okay. As we conclude today's media information session, allow me to thank all of you for your presence in today's activity. This is the first and definitely will not be the last here in Region 10. Thank you po for the opportunity to engage with you in such meaningful discussions and to share with you BSP's key initiatives and advocacies. Pero I'm sure magtatanong kayo, bakit ngayon lang, no? This is because we wanted to bring BSP closer to everyone. We wanted to make sure that everyone is included, so part of our financial inclusion strategy. And we also need to make our consumers feel na we are making sure that they are protected and we are looking after the welfare of our financial consumers. And above all, we want to be sana the top-of-mind awareness agency. Kasi pag sinabi pong BSP, ang tanong nila, saang chapter? Boy Scouts of the Philippines pala. Sana yung susunod na pagsabi namin ng BSP, papasok na sa utak ng mga tao yung Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas. So, yung topics po natin for today, starting with the Central Banking 101, because we wanted everyone to know who we are, why are we here, and what are we doing to help our people. Sana po, nasagot namin yung mga tanong na yun sa inyong mga isip. We also did a briefing on the digitalization initiatives. Yan po ay part of our future-proofing. Kaya po mga bata, yung mga kasama natin ngayon, dahil ito po ay in preparation for the future. Yung ating pong mga anak, yung ating pong mga apo, sila po ang magbe-benefit ng lahat po ng mga initiatives natin in this generation. And finally, yung lecture ng Financial Consumer Protection Act, this exemplifies our commitment to make sure na safeguarded ang interest ng lahat ng financial consumers. At ang susunod po natin na magiging media information is on the recently approved Anti-Financial Accounts Scamming Act. And this was stated, also included in the SONA of the President. Ganun po ka-importante yon dahil ngayon, pwede na nating panagutin. Sir, yung mga hindi nag-aasikaso sa inyong mga accounts, they will be here. But on that note, gusto ko pong i-emphasize lang, why did we specifically invite the media and our partner government information officers? It's because, in the words of Thomas Jefferson, the press is the best instrument for enlightening the mind of man and improving him as a rational, moral, and social being. You're not merely a vehicle for conveying information. You, all of you, have a critical role in expanding the knowledge and understanding of our fellow Filipinos. And your active participation today reaffirms this, and this is a testament to the power of sharing knowledge, fostering dialogue, building partnerships, and more importantly, building friendships. So fitting for Cagayan de Oro City, the city of golden friendship. So thank you so much for all of your active discussions, involvement, and insights in this afternoon's activity. So dear friends, sana po, this will be the start of a long and lasting partnership with you. Again, the BSP Cagayan de Oro branch will always be open for you kung meron po kayong mga concerns, information, at syempre about finance. Wag naman po about yung mga ibang bagay. Pero mga bagay po na kasama sa trabaho ng BSP, sinabi na po namin sa inyo kung ano yung mga scope ng trabaho ni BSP. We hope that you will not hesitate to come and share with us your concerns. At kung meron din po kayong mga suggestions, please feel free to share that with our area director. If need be po, I'm just in Davao City. You can also come and visit me anytime. So again, we hope to see you in our future media information sessions. Daghang salamat po at maayong hapon sa tayo.